What's going on again, folks? I got a Grindworx unboxing today. So I got the Joker assisted opening knife. So this one came in a lot later. So let's see what we have, and it's brand new out of the box. Alright, give me a few minutes right here. Alright, almost there. Oh, okay, here we go. Alright, so put that there for a minute. Alright, so here is what I got at Grindworx today. So you call this the Tac-Force. So yes, this is the Joker's assisted opening knife. Well, let's see what we have here. Okay, it's taped here. Alright, come on, almost there. Alright, let's see what we have. Alright, so here it is. Here's what I got at Grindworx today. Yes, I got this for a great budget for 13 bucks altogether. Yep, this is just your usual assisted opening. Just, let's see. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, works great. Wow, it's brand new, out of the box. This one came in like over a week, but it came in one piece. Yes, it's brand new. Got something brand new today. Another cool movie prop right here. So yeah, this is the Joker's knife, the assisted opening version. Yeah, just like that. Not much, but another. This is another great collector's item, and your usual everyday carry and utility. Well, it just opens like this. Another assisted opening I got. Yeah, I got this for great budget right here, right there. Brand new, and yeah, for 13 bucks, it's definitely worth buying. And anytime, anywhere at Grindworx. So I decided to go low budget right here. Yeah, just like that. I'm satisfied with my purchase once more. It's been a while since I bought it at Grindworx, like I think 8 months ago. Yeah, just like that. And you already know what that is. Alright, so and the usual recommendations, no problem. Anytime, anywhere. For 13 bucks, yeah, it's worth buying. And I had to get it. Great assisted opening for the budget. Yeah, your usual everyday carry and utility again. And another good collector's item if you're a Dark Knight fan. So, yep. So this is the Joker's knife, assisted opening version. There you go. And there you go. And yeah, let me take a look. Yeah, everything's in good shape, brand new. Yeah, just like that. And I'm satisfied with my purchase here for 13 bucks. That's how much I got it for. It was $8.99 plus shipping and tax. Very cheap. All right, one last trip right here. Yeah, just like that. Just opens with the flipper right there. No problem. Works great. Brand new out of the box. I'm satisfied with my purchase right here. Alright, one more trip right here again. So, just opens like that. No problem. Yeah, your usual everyday carry and utility. That's also what it's great for. And one last time. There you go. That's it. That's what I got at Grindworx today. Been a while, like 8 months ago. That's the last time I bought from them. And that's it. Alright, there you go. I gave you a good unboxing review on the, what do you call that? The Tac-Force assisted opening, the Joker's knife that I got at Grindworx. And I'm satisfied with my purchase here for $8.99 plus shipping and tax. That's about 13 bucks altogether. It's worth buying. Alright, so I hope you like this video review, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.